I'm Brittany with WTI, and unfortunately I've been cursed with big pores. So I really depend on this Spa Sciences pore vacuum. Now what's great about this is that it really helps you to get all of the gunk that gets stuck in your pores. And for women, there's a lot that we put on our faces: lotion, sunscreen, makeup, and then just normal things in day-to-day life, dirt, sweat, etc. So it's really nice to have something that's going to help take care of your skin so that nothing gets trapped in there and then starts to fester and cause a bigger problem. So I like to use it after I use the shower because my face has been steamed, and then it helps me make sure to get out all the gunk that has accumulated throughout the day. And what's really nice about it is because it has so many different size nozzles is that it can help you in different areas. In your neck, in hard to reach places. It has more smaller detailed nozzles. It's very thorough. It even has one that has a special border around the edge of the nozzle, which actually works to exfoliate your skin at the same time. So it really does a good job taking care of your overall skin health on your face. And I think it's a great thing to have in your vanity. It comes in its own little carry case. It has a charging cable, so when it starts losing power, it has a battery light indicator. You can just plug it in and charge it up. It doesn't take long, and you can just throw it in that drawer, and when you need it, it's there for you. For anyone that's wanting to maybe intensify a little bit of their cleaning routine for their face, I think it is a really high quality, great valued item, and that's my point of view.